Hello, welcome to HotelContractBeds. Today I'd like to show you our Panache 1200 model, shown here in a zip and link version, but available in any size. Handmade in our workshops by master craftsmen, we're one of the largest contract bed suppliers in the UK, with a 5-year warranty on the Panache 1200 model. Luxurious fabric, sumptuous fillings, our beds are a dream to sleep on. The Panache model has 1200 of our unique identity independent pocket springs, utilising cutting-edge technology. These work independently from each other, giving an excellent spinal support, as well as allowing hips and shoulders to sink into the mattress surface. The 10-inch deep medium feel mattress has multiple hand-layered hypoallergenic fillings, which are held in place with cotton felt tufts. The mattress surface is our exclusive soft touch knitted mattress fabric that absorbs moisture to ensure you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed. The border of the mattress has 4 rows of side stitching, creating a firmer edge and maximising the sleeping surface. Flag stitched turning handles make it easy to turn the mattress, and air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round.